They say it lasts up for 60 hours. 60 hours. I think they lie. Maono, if you're watching this, I think they lie. I think they lie about it. I think. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Your boy Mush right here. How y'all doing? How you doing? We all talking about my new microphone right here. That's what we're gonna talk about. This is my first look, first inspections, first, I don't know, review, whatever it may be. But we're gonna talk about this mic. This mic is from a company called Maono. Is a wireless dynamic microphone. I can't even pronounce because y'all know I talk funny. That's why my name is Mushmouth. Anyway, I got this mic last week and I've been using it ever since on my PC. I have a 2 PC setup. I'm using this microphone mixed with the Ogalo software. So I definitely try with the core. I tried with USB and I tried wireless. I like it wireless more. I was using the stand that came with it, but I stopped using it because it was kind of too high. And I mean, well, it was too high as if it was low because it's got like two levels to it. Couldn't really use it. But I can say this microphone, I know it sounds good. I got this plug up to my iPhone right now. I was messing around with the games and everything, but I will keep going back and forth. I said I don't feel like doing it. But it's true, it's wireless, and I can't think of nothing else better. Um, as for wireless microphone, they do have another wireless microphone about $40, but it don't come with the SLR port. This one have the SLR port, as you can see right here. I put this on this stand because I can move it around and everything. But as you can see, it's 100% wireless. I'm gonna take it off now. I'm gonna take it off. Hold up. Now this is it off and everything. It come with this part and it come with a stand. This, this come right off. But I'm gonna tell you my do's and my. I don't got too many dislikes I don't like about it, but we definitely gonna talk about this, man. You know what I'm saying? We definitely gonna talk about this. All right. I had to hit the button. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I can see it. The light is still on, 100% wireless. We're gonna go outside with this thing. All right, we're gonna do a level test. They said this can go up to like I think 30 feet, I believe. Don't quote me on this, but we all in my backyard right now. So let's go. I'm gonna see how far this can go. I'm gonna talk, but this, like I said, it's totally wireless. It's a dope microphone. I'm gonna go back here too. I got the trees right here. See how it be. I don't know how far I can go back, but I'm gonna go back far as I can when it come out of range. I'm about, I don't know, about 20 feet from here and everything. I don't know how it sounds, so y'all gonna tell me how it sound. I'm gonna find out how it sound after I come in if I say after I come, pause. After I edit this video a little bit, cause y'all know I don't do too much editing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back a little bit farther, make sure I got the camera set right. Turn the camera around a little bit. Yes. In my backyard. Let's go. We're gonna step back. We're gonna go all the way back here to the bushes and see how far I can go without the sound cutting out and everything. So this is me walking. I'm gonna go all the way back here. Now this is over, I believe, 30 feet. It is over 30 feet because I already walked about 30 feet. So as you see, my phone is already back there. And I don't know if it might cut out or not, but if it didn't cut out, yo, this shit is amazing. I tip my hat to y'all, and we gonna find out. So this is me walking back, 100% wise. Yo, this is a perfect setup for a podcast. If anybody want to do a podcast and everything, they do have a special going on. I think it's $175 on Amazon for 2D microphones. So, and the other thing I found out about, I can hook up 2D microphones to one receiver. So I do have the Maono the one click on your shirt microphone, and that probably work with it. I never tried yet, but as you can see, we're gonna do another test. We're gonna walk over here, and matter of fact, what we're gonna do, we're gonna walk around my place. Nah, we ain't gonna do that. But anyway, this is me walking again, and as I say, like I've been using this microphone for days now, almost a week. I had for almost a week, and it's a dope microphone. I really enjoyed this microphone. I was kind of hesitating about buying it because I was like, a wireless microphone, like that shit probably sound garbage. They do got their own software that you can download on the PC, and you can download the software on the cell phone. Cause I got it on my cell phone. I also got it on my iPad. And this microphone is beautiful for voiceovers, podcasts, gaming. They got different modes and everything. The gaming mode, I really don't like how it sound, or the singing mode, but the podcast mode, I definitely like how it sound. You can also download the program. I advise y'all download the program, and you all can switch everything around as y'all want, customize it, make your own profiles. It's user friendly and everything. Pretty dope, pretty dope. All right. They do got different colors on this. You can, as you can see, the RGB don't really affect the battery life. And let's talk about the battery life for a second. Now, they say it lasts up for 60 hours. 60 hours. I think they lie. Mano, if you're watching this, I think they lie. I think they lie about it. I think close to a 50% charge already. So I did a test. I charge it up, cup it on with the RGB. With the RGB, it lasts up to 79 hours of battery life. 100%, 79 hours with the RGB on. With the RGB off, it lasts up to 84 hours and a couple minutes. A couple minutes or both, but 84 hours. I tested. Now, maybe it's different in other microphones or as this as mine now that people got. But why did I literally test it? Because I always want to see how long will it actually last. Sorry about the background trash day. They recycling. I can mute it. They're taking a long time to get this recycled. And I like how you can mute on the fly. So this mic is so perfect for the people who be doing them street reviews. This is for y'all. For all y'all people who be doing the street reviews, this microphone is for y'all because you can easily hold in your hand. You can mute it when you want. You can switch your gains how you want. Everything. You can hold it just like this. But you can hold it just like this and just start talking. You can tell when it's muted, right? Because a red rain come up. Watch. That is dope. Now I don't have no other only complaints I do have about this mic. This is only complaint I have about this mic that I found so far on my behalf is this, how this easy come right off. See? I don't like that. I know this. I know it's supposed to come off like that, but I don't know. It's just sometimes it feels like um it's just going to fall off. You know. Besides that, the build quality of the mic, um, metal casing. This is plastic. Plastic. It, the build quality is amazing. I like the build quality. Is average. Is I can't say amazing. I'm sorry. It's average. Average build quality, but nah, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing like my name, baby. But anyway, um, I don't really have too much more to say about this microphone. Just is a beautiful mic. I love it. If y'all want this for the past 5 live streams, I have been using this microphone only. So y'all can go in my live streams on Twitch or on YouTube. Listen to the build quality of this microphone. It is amazing. Now this much mouth and I'm out. All right. Woo! Keep it gaming, y'all.